Welcome back to the channel. I had to do my hair today, but Storm's got a brand new release, Summit Ascent. It's the third installment of the Summit series, the first solid one, and it's blue.
Acting like we don't care. 'Cause baby, I've been thinking about you every moment. Yeah, I miss you. I just wanna be with you. We could start it over. Take it a little slower. You know you can. Call me baby, no you don't need my permission. Yeah, I know you feel it too.
So, what is Summit Ascent? We've got solid cover, but on the weaker side, R2S, the same AI Summit core. If you guys love the Marvel, the original one, this one should get you quite excited. And man, did I love the Marvel. We've got 4.5 by 4.5 by 2.5. I do have a two-handed one as well that I'll throw after the shot. Go, 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 go. I moved 4 off of the last shot. All right, here we go. We got 2 LS, 4.5 by 4.5 by 3.5. My favorite two-handed ball right now is the Ion Pro. A lot less diff, which means the core is a little bit weaker, even though it is asymmetric, and this is a symmetric ball. I drilled this one just a little weaker, and this is the same one that you guys saw in League Night Live. If you guys missed the live and you don't want to rewatch the live, we have the last night of League coming up this Tuesday. Lane shine quite a bit. This ball comes at 4,000, so not as much texture as your traditional middle-of-the-line bowling balls. Gosh, the lanes are cooking. Super hot fire. So if you did watch the live, I also threw the Optimum Idle Pearl. We bowled on fresh oil for the first time in a long time. Didn't see that coming. The league before us finished the prior week. So these balls were going sideways. Not the balls I would throw on the fresh. A little more geared towards how the lanes are right now. Might be a touch past that point for this one. When I say middle of the bag, I'm thinking balls like Phase 2, Optimum Idle. For me, that's the middle of the bag. This ball's a step down. Just a slight step down because the cover's a little bit weaker. Roll. We're gonna have to work for our strikes today. We're gonna try to up the ball speed. Like David Haynes says, I need about 1.5 miles to 2 miles an hour more. I don't know if I can get that, but I'm gonna try. Please go. I did forget to mention this is a pretty cooked house shot. I don't know how many people have bowled here before I have. I warmed up on lane 67 and they're about 2 zones tighter. Came to this lane and man, they're flying. I'm gonna throw the one-handed one a little more than the two-handed one today. I will say I like the way this one's looking so far. I did go with a slightly stronger layout than usual just because of the weaker cover. I wanted the stronger layout so it would hook a little earlier and round off a little more. Success, 5 steps, inside out. Smooth and continuous relative to the bigger pieces, just because it doesn't hook as early. I did not bring any balls to compare them because I have a two-handed and a one-hand version. If you guys want to watch a comparison of all the benchmark balls, head over to TV Bowling Supply. My brother, Mikey Tang, does a really good job explaining and listing what balls are in order strength, top to bottom, earliest to weakest. As much as I said I'm not gonna throw that many two-handed shots, I feel like I need to because, let's be honest, the two-handed game is where bowling is headed. Oh, they're so sticky. Oh, they're so sticky. I like that. How about we try this Belmo thing? You know what? I'm gonna throw one more strike for you guys, two-handed. I'm locking in right here for this shot. Wasn't great. mean, the result was great. They're not always good, they're not always bad, but I do want to talk about my jersey. They are live on efx.co. I got a coupon code, DATA. Use that at checkout for 10% off. As long as you look good, it doesn't matter.
That is so wrong.
Summit Ascent coming to you live worldwide, August 23rd, 2024.